it's 9:20 in the morning. We've left Nuwara Elia on our way to Ventura, about a 5-hour drive from here. And we stopped at a viewpoint to see St. Clair waterfall. You can see it in the background. I hope you can see it in the background. St. Clair waterfall. Yeah, that's the one. Now I'll just turn it and enlarge it if you can see it. This is the St. Clair waterfall. Apparently rain should have come in by now and it should be gushing waters, but they say that rains have been delayed. Otherwise the whole rock plateau that you see here is full of water and gushing waterfall.
और खबरों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एएनएम न्यूज़, बेल आइकन दबाकर रहिए सबसे आगे।